Yeah.
Oh, look like somebody called me too many spam.
Uh-oh.
Where's my camera? Right here. We're working. Oh no, Robin! I buried you alive. Are you playing? You playing? Work. You need to work. Ah, rooster laughing at you. Right now we're gonna dig some on the gate and put this big log on it so the chicken will not come in here on the front gate.
Yeah, try to make it wide like this or
Yeah.
smaller.
Okay, sir. What else, sir?
Now.
Okay, sir, boss.
You want me to do everything.
Yeah.
You want me to do everything right.
Act like a boss.
Yeah, you want me to do everything. What else you want me to do?
Look like he don't laugh.
What do you want me to do? Now. I want me to do everything.
Yeah. Yeah, he said, act like you care. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Do everything.
Yeah, he was supposed to look the other pig. We got plenty drinks, Robin. We have a plenty drinks on the fridge.
Oh, okay.
Can drink.
What are they doing over there?
He was talking about the mud we got broken. I seen your text.
You fixing it?
The pipes, he was telling the mud got some pipes broken from the mud. Right now, guys, we're
Come
gonna
on.
walk.
Daddy's going to get mad if you don't do this.
Come on, Robin, let's go to work.
Your dad's going to get mad.
Yeah, let's go to work. It's a work time, no talking, no talking. Okay, no talking. Right there, gonna put my phone.
A little bit more deep.
Not yet deep, need more.
Yeah.
You can
No, it has to be flush with the gate, because the gate's this much, remember?
tell. Yeah, we need to make sure, I think we need to make sure it. Make sure.
I don't know how he's going to do it. I think he just wants to drive over it.
There's the boss.
See?
Talking to the guardian.
See? See how much?
We can make a somewhere.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit. So we just got through that. Start digging this one.
Okay, sir, boss.
Don't talk
What's
back.
the boss?
Don't talk back.
There's the boss. Come.
Don't talk back. Where's he out, huh?
Huh?
Where's he out? Harsh.
Yeah, we went to the truck and he wanted $1,200 for fixing to the air conditioning.
What's wrong with it?
Because got leaking.
Oh,
There's my dog fan. I put the roof too low.
a pipe leak?
I didn't have a roof.
Under for the air condition. The heater comes with it.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
And one guy was telling us, one of our friends, that we
We're
can
fixing
stop the
this so we don't
heater,
have to.
touch it, and then only the...
Yeah, we got watch it. No, we're going.
Watch out for the chicken.
Here goes some of the chickens. How you doing?
Yeah, hello. That's my chicken, rooster.
You can't do that. Then you ain't gonna have no heater for winter.
Yeah, but we can only 8 months and then we can fix it. Put it back, something like that. For right now, we just don't have money right now.
Hmm. Water's leaking from you.
For underneath, and then this is the hood, and then under the hood.
Oh, it's leaking water.
So one of our friends said we can stop the
charge for that?
The charge is $45.
Okay.
And then about 40. Okay.
Okay. Oh, he fixed it then?
Yeah, he stopped the water heater.
Okay.
For meantime, because we don't need the hot water.
Okay.
What a chickadee!
That's not bad.
What a chickadee!
Hey. Work. We ain't got time. Work.
Watch out, my phone is behind you.
Oh. Work.
Work.
Don't talk back.
Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk about you. We can't laugh, he can't laugh. He can't laugh. Rooster calling.
I think this is cheap enough right there. With Anthony, it's not going to be right.
Yeah,
So, I don't know.
you have to wait in.
Yeah, we keep digging to this far.
Right now in the brakes, we need to take it out if you don't like
You
it.
don't like it? He needs to do it. I don't like it. We don't know what he wants. Later, tomorrow.
Yeah, we just want
Chicken! Look at the chicken. Uh-oh. Rooster's gonna chase him away. He chased? Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, when I let my young chicks and I didn't let the big one, he was trying to make a love with the baby chicks.
Oh.
Too small.
Yeah, he chased him away. That one. He got mad. No, the red rooster.
Used to be he was the mean.
Yeah,
Now
not
he's-
anymore.
This is the boss.
Yeah, the red rooster chased him away too.
Yeah. Used to be, remember, he was fighting,
Yeah.
kick everybody.
Yeah, not anymore.
Not anymore. He knows who's the
Boss.
territorial.
No, he's pretty sneaky. He thinks Rooster don't see him. He thinks he's being sneaky behind the tree. And he don't see me back here.
Yep.
He's trying to steal one of those chickens.
He used to be, I show you, they were fighting all over. He don't stop now. He don't fight no
He
more.
wants to steal one of those chicks.
Yeah.
It's a baby. He's trying to take him over there to his house. Yeah, we could do that tomorrow. They fix the bricks.
Yeah, he need to put some dirt in it. This is the side of the chicken house.
Yeah.
It wants to be like this, the bricks.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the water is right there.
I don't know how he likes it. He's not going to be satisfied till you fix it right. Yeah, he ain't going to be. It could be perfect. And you're like, no.
Do it again,
Yeah.
again.
You see, if you would broke that sewage over there, you would have been in trouble. If you would broke it, he would have been complaining to you. What you break it for? It's only mad. He broke it and it's like, okay, no big deal, right?
Big deal.
Yeah, no big deal if Tony did it. If we would have done it, oh my God, he would have had a heart attack. I think that's, well, no, yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah. Just keep digging this water.
If you want some more chickens or eggs
Yeah.
or anything, just okay, Anthony, I will.
Yeah, my eggs is you can hatch, baby chicks. I had some chicks.
Yeah, all ours are
Yeah.
fertile.
Yeah, 'cause I just got 4 little hens. I got them out to the freeze, you know. So I had a light on them to keep them warm. Now they're big. I got them when they was little. And I got
Did you show my baby chicks in the side of the building? I got
No.
baby chicks.
We're showing.
Hurry up, he's got to go back to work. It's coming down pretty good.
Yep.
We'll get it where the gate closed and we'll fill it back up a little bit.
Take it easy.
No, we got a garden too, and we do a little work. Okay, Anthony, nice meeting you, sir.
Yep.
Y'all have a great one.
Hey, come by anytime. Bring your wife,
Okay, sure will.
your daughter.
Bye.
Need to clean it up.